I know there are a lot of templates in Cacoo, the mind map, the brainstorm, the concept map, but I really enjoy creating my own diagrams from scratch, especially now that I have Cacoo's Go-To-Graph. You just need to click on the plus icon at the bottom of the tool menu and select Go-To-Graph. You'll see the editor has already some instructions that you can follow. For a simple diagram, let's type in A goes to B into the editor and press Enter or click Generate to create your diagram. Easy! If you want to try something a bit more complex, just click on the question mark located at the bottom of the editor window to see the syntax. Let's create a one-to-many connection following these commands by adding C and D, separated by commas. Great! Here's our diagram. A, B, C and D mean nothing, so let's replace those letters with some text. If we go back to the instructions, we'll see that we need to use brackets or inverted commas to add text. And we need to use the keyword shape followed by the letter that we'll be replacing. And remember, always put the shape line at the top. Let's remove what we have by clicking on the trash button at the bottom of the editor and selecting our diagram. Then press the delete key. This time we're going to try something a bit more complex. Now let's replace those letters with some text. Perfect! Let's close down the editor. Now we can edit our diagram using the menu. For example, changing the color, the font, and even moving things around. Enjoy coding!